The error code F51 on a Maytag washer indicates a motor rotor position sensor failure, or RPS failure, which occurs when the washer's sensor flashes due to a malfunction. Common causes of this issue include a faulty motor RPS or an item stuck underneath the washer. To resolve the problem, start by checking the agitator and removing the washer drum to clean out any items, such as socks or clothing, that may be clogging the drain. Additionally, cleaning, reconnecting, or replacing the motor RPS may be necessary. Running a diagnostic test, which involves checking the motor and electrical connections by draining the tub and performing a spin test in manual mode, can also help identify the issue. If the problem persists, resetting the washer by unplugging and replugging it may clear the error code. Furthermore, inspecting the electrical connections between the sensor and control board to ensure they are in place and not damaged is crucial. However, locating the RPS can be complicated, and if you're not a professional, it may be best to hire a technician for assistance. Cleaning debris from the RPS or seeking professional help to replace the motor RPS if it's damaged may also be necessary to resolve the issue.